In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed Lucidchart in Confluence. Let's dive right in and make this process as smooth as possible. First, you'll want to head over to your Confluence space. If you're not already logged in, make sure to do so to access all the features we'll be using today. Once you're in Confluence, look towards the top of your interface for the Apps option. Clicking on this will unfold a menu of different applications and integrations available to you. From this list, you need to locate and click on the Explore More Apps option. This will take you to the Confluence Marketplace, a hub of various tools and enhancements available for your workspace. Here, you'll encounter a search bar. Type in Lucidchart Diagrams Connector and press Enter. You'll see the Lucidchart integration within the search results. Go ahead and click on Lucidchart Diagrams Connector. This action will bring up a page with more information about the app, including user reviews, compatibility notes, and more. Once you've reviewed this information, click on the Get It Now button. At this point, Confluence will likely prompt you to select your site or account, so make sure you do so to proceed. The next step is reviewing the app's terms and conditions, which is standard procedure for any app installation. When you're ready, press Get It Now again to confirm your installation choice. This will initiate the app's integration into your Confluence setup. Next, you'll click on Configure. You may need to log back into Confluence if you've been signed out or if prompted to ensure security access. Once logged in, choose Sign Up with Google to streamline the process, assuming you have a Google account. Now, a quick note. At this stage, there's a particular option that requires you to upgrade to a team account, which is a paid service offered by Lucidchart. If you choose to upgrade, refresh the page and then click on Grant Access to finalize the integration of Lucidchart with your Confluence page. After the permissions are set and access is granted, navigate back to your dashboard. From there, select the specific page where you'd like to embed your Lucidchart diagrams. Within the editor, look for the Insert Elements icon and give it a click. Type Lucidchart into the search bar that appears. Select Lucidchart diagrams from the options presented. As the interface loads, you'll see all your existing Lucidchart projects available for selection. Click on the project you wish to embed and wait for it to load into your Confluence page. And there you have it. With those steps, your Lucidchart diagrams are now neatly embedded within Confluence, ready for collaboration and display. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to subscribe for more tutorials and tips. Thanks for joining me today.